TikTok analytics not showing. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, open your TikTok. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner, and then click on the three bars at the top right corner, and click on Settings and Privacy. So if you're not seeing analytics, click on Privacy, and make sure private account is not turned on. So you need to have a public account, and then scroll down to Interactions, click on Comments, and make sure that it is set to everyone. Go back and do the same for everything under Interactions. Once you do this, go back, click on Account, and then you'll see Switch to. Click on that, and then switch to a business account. Now, once you've switched to a business account, under Settings and Privacy, you'll see this option of Analytics. So this is how to fix TikTok analytics not showing. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.